Welcome to Feel Good. This is where you come for good music and to be inspired. My name is Key, and today's topic is all about breakups. So let's go. You can love them and forgive them, but still move on without them. It hurts to let go, but you're hurting more by holding on. The heart was made to be broken. It will heal. Never allow someone to be your priority if you yourself are just an option. If someone can walk away from you, let them. The hardest part isn't letting go. It's the fear of starting over. This too shall pass. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. Healing takes time, but it happens. It's hard to turn the page when you know someone won't be in the next chapter, but the story must go on. Sometimes good things fall apart, so better things can fall together. One thing about life, it goes on. Some people are lessons, not life partners. The person you're meant to be with will never have to be chased. You deserve the love you give. A breakup is like a broken mirror. It is better to leave it broken than to hurt yourself trying to fix it. Some of us think holding on makes us strong. Sometimes letting go is. Self-love is your greatest power. You have to forget what you feel and remember what you deserve. The pain you feel today will become the strength you feel tomorrow. Don't look back. You're not going that way. Let go of what was, accept what is, and have faith in what will be. Take a deep breath and remember who you are. One day they'll realize they lost a diamond while playing with worthless stones. The best revenge is success. When someone leaves, it's because someone else is about to arrive. What is coming is better than what has gone. Letting go means coming to the realization that some people are a part of your history, not a part of your destiny. Someday, it will all make sense. Strength comes from forgiving someone who isn't sorry and accepting an apology you may never receive. You are strong enough to let go and patient enough to wait for what you deserve. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. If you were happy with the wrong person, imagine how happy you'll be with the right one. Relationships are never easy. And the moment you start to wonder if you deserve better, you probably do. Some people are lessons, not blessings. So never be afraid to put on that cape, turn into Captain Bye-Bye, and make that exit. It'll be tough, but you're tougher. So just take it one day at a time, and you'll be just fine. Now if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the music, head on over to xratedmusicnow.com for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.